Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love pork chops, but I don't like sticking them in a pan and frying them. I like something I can finesse, some nice sauce and spices that go over them. So I decided to do these spicy tomato pork chops. Absolutely delicious. You're gonna love them, so let me show you how to do this. I'm going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a preheated pan. Go ahead and place in 3 butterfly chops. And of course I'm going to season these up with some salt and pepper. And we're going to do this on both sides. And we're going to go ahead and let these fry until they're nicely browned. I don't know about you, but I love pork chops. After about 6 minutes or so, they're nicely browned on both sides. I'm going to remove them from the pan and set them aside. Next up, I'm going to add in a large chopped onion and saute this until it's tender. Now for the rest of the seasoning, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, just for that heat, and a teaspoon of brown sugar. Now we're just going to stir this up, I say for a minute or 2. After that, a cup of tomato sauce, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and of course we're going to stir this and bring it to a boil. Alright, put the pork back in. With those juices, it's going to be so good. Put the lid back on and we're going to let this simmer over medium heat for about 40 minutes. And oh my goodness, just look at this, and the whole house smells wonderful. And there you have it, our spicy tomato pork chops. Okay, let's go ahead and plate these up. And of course we gotta spoon some of that absolutely beautiful sauce over the top. Garnish it up with some parsley or cilantro. And there you have it, our spicy tomato pork chops. Okay, let's go ahead and do a taste test. Guys, these are so good. The spices, the sauce, just incredible. You gotta make these. For this recipe, pop on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of good stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.